Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Armon and Deshae almost fight. Queen crashes into the garage. Clarencenyc. Wow, that's a lot. All right, let's get into it.
Car, and guess whose car goes right here? Answer that.
I do.
So you park right here. What is this?
Remember when you parked in here?
Why are you bringing his pants up? Because you lost in a ping pong.
You getting all headshots. This nigga get lined up with a hater. Turn that bitch back. It's not my fault that you're greasy, bro.
What we doing, bro?
Oh, no. We
Hey, Armon. They playing basketball. They love that basketball. For my old heads.
Listen. I think we're like three or four. That's three. That might be three. Yo, Ty.
That's 3 or 4 dubs, bro. That's 4? I'm gonna tell you, look at my nigga Deshae over there. You heard?
Yes, sir.
We busted their ass, so I'm not gonna lie.
Game fucking time.
All right, good job, Armon.
That's tough.
Yes, sir. Come on, Claire. What you got? What's going on, Clare Bear? They make like this, that's when you know it's gonna go in. When they threw their body to that little V. All right, now mine is on fire, and I saw Claire over there with the rebound.
I look how old?
He looks 16, right?
I look like 19.
That's crazy. How old is you?
I'm 18. So.
You lying. That's crazy. That's my sister's age. You a baby. You a baby, bro.
So,
What you mean? I'm
You only 2001.
so he too young, basically. He too young.
I'm too young?
I mean, it's good to be young, so.
That's what I'm
Nah,
saying.
but if he was trying to run down or trying to get your number, it was too,
You know what I'm
he too
saying?
young.
You got
I don't want to date nobody too much.
no. What's going on?
I didn't get that.
Look at this nigga. Man, they double the Gatorade.
Like, I'm about
That nigga looking at the head. That's an extra $2.75. So you got a boyfriend?
Yeah, I got it.
Why am I mean, why is Deshae up here with his shirt half on, sir? She got a man, bruh. Put your shirt on.
That's crazy. Natalia is taking. He said that's crazy.
Nah, is he taller than me though? No.
Why he said it's up for failure? Is he taller than me? Shoot, I'm taller than Deshae. Sorry. Petty reaction, sorry. Every now and then it come out. I'm sorry.
It is what it is.
You have a good day too.
Hey, bro, I don't work all the time, bro. Most of the time I work. Y'all see him, bro. Okay, let me.
Oh, you paid for it already?
So you don't think I'm a finance nigga? If you didn't have no nigga, if you didn't have one though, just be honest. No. Bro, get the fuck out of here.
Now you.
Thirsty? Why you thirsty, Deshae? He said, "Ooh, that hair, girl. I got to have you. I got to take you from your man." I mean, you need to be stopped. You need to go in there flashing something, you know? Maybe she don't know who you are.
Real one though.
Nah, you're a real one. You're loyal.
I'm not gonna lie. There you go. I'm not gonna lie.
She's loyal. See, it's good to be loyal. She ain't taking by all this extraness. She need her man and she like him because she like him, not because of what he can give her. See, that's a real girl right there.
You have a good day.
I don't like these Atlanta hoes.
Nigga said these Atlanta hoes is too loyal. Where the
Bitch, I'm a thot, give me lick. Bitch, I'm a thot, give me lick. Oh God.
nigga said what?
She gotta be a H.O. Rude. I mean, she loyal, she working, she got a whole job. She is not that. Don't you be calling her out her name, Deshae.
Slut fat though.
I won.
No, bro.
So that was a sport.
No,
I hate this
that was good.
game, bro.
No, that was good defense. Now you're on offense. Now it's serve. Boom. Now if you score
Okay, cameraman.
right here, that's your point. Oh shit! Good shit. Okay.
Oh! Fuck this shit.
What score?
That's goddamn.
6-0.
How is that your point? How is that your point?
He's on
Bro, how
offense.
the fuck is that your point, though? No, because that's not your point, my nigga. That's what I'm saying. I'm not playing this shit.
No, that's my point.
That's not your point.
6-0.
No, it's not, bro.
It is.
That's your point.
Come on.
That's your point.
Come on.
That's my point.
Let's go. No, it's not.
6-0.
When I hit the ball over.
Good shot. Good shot.
Where my fucking point at? Where my point?
See, he a sore loser like me. I kind of feel him. I hate losing. And I don't even know why. Like, I personally wouldn't play nobody like Armon because I know I'm going to lose. So I'm not even going to entertain no dumbness and the fact that I'm going to lose, you know? So you upset yourself, Deshae. I'll vote for Armon. Sorry.
You was on defense, right?
On defense, bro.
Y'all play. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing because I know what defense. But how you gonna be defense all this deep? I can score on defense.
How you got defense when you playing one-on-one, sir? You on defense all the time. That's your opponent, right? You on defense and offense when you playing somebody, you know, on table tennis. Like, you won one. What you crying about?
Bro,
I scored 6 straight.
but I'm saying I hit the ball when it went over you.
Look how much taller I am.
Block my
This
shots.
shit.
But I don't care, nigga.
Look how
Bro,
much
we the
taller.
same height. Stop holding it at an angle.
Bro, look how
Bro,
much
stop trying to act like
you shot.
this nigga's so cool trying to act like he winning this shit, bro.
No,
Nigga don't know how to
I'm
play this shit.
No, I was definitely winning.
Bro, no, you weren't, bro.
Maybe you would have hit
No,
the
you
ball with
weren't,
your
bro.
head.
Nigga, that's what I'm saying, trying to play.
Bro, are you gonna finish? Are you gonna finish playing or not? You give
Bro,
up.
fuck that game. Y'all
It's
coming out
7-0.
with rules and shit.
I 7-0.
No, he didn't, bro. That's what I'm saying.
7-0.
You want to say, bro, he's over here trying to.
Nigga just make it.
Nigga just making shit
Just
up.
make that up,
Making
son.
shit up.
Is it 7-0 game over? I didn't know that.
Y'all need to run back the footage, bro.
No, I'm saying, is it 7-0?
7-0, bro.
So our game should have been over too.
Bro,
Been over.
that's what I'm saying.
You have a ping pong table in your basement, bro.
Stop talking like that, bro. Do you want to play?
You're not for the cheat.
It's not. It's not for everybody.
Play for everybody.
This nigga built like KD, skinny hell, trying to act like ping pong anybody and shit.
No.
It says it's
Hold
called.
on. I don't know if you got on shorts or pants.
Bro,
Them bitches big.
bro, this nigga tried to do the whole LV. What type
No,
of
see, that's the
silk?
thing.
He got silk LV fucking.
Oh, yeah.
Nigga,
Oh, yeah. Oh,
nigga, that's
shit.
the market.
See,
nigga.
This is $3,000 denim right here.
Look at
You
this.
feel me? This not silk.
Bro.
Say it with me.
You got, bro.
Say
you got
I don't
kids.
got
That look nice though. I gotta say that. They don't look like regular denim.
You need to be relaxed.
My kids.
Come on.
My kid right now, she wears silk. I don't wear silk.
They got from ping pong to
looks
silk
like they-
pants.
Huh?
They went from ping pong
No,
to
y'all, he
silk pants.
calling my pants silk. I don't
Bro,
think
that
they
shit,
silk.
this nigga-
I don't think. What is this? Phyllis?
Look at this nigga.
That's velvet, bro.
He in pajamas and shit.
This velvet. These are my pajamas. You right?
So are you saying
This is my
that's
pajamas.
why you lost though? Is that like
That's
are you
why.
blaming?
He's also a nigga in a pajamas.
Like why are you bringing his pants up because you lost in the ping pong?
Bro, I didn't lose. I didn't fucking lose.
No, you got.
Bro, you got hoochie daddy shorts on, bro. Stop fucking playing.
So
No, he got hoochie daddy shorts. He definitely has hoochie daddy shorts. I started to say that, but I was like, I'm gonna leave Clare alone. But since Deshae brought it up, you know, Clare is king of hoochie daddy shorts. He got the thigh and the booty popping. Okay, clear.
now it goes to my shorts?
It goes to his shorts now.
Bro, Armon, stop, bro. You've been skinny for 3 weeks and you just trying to talk shit now. This is what I'm saying, bro.
Bro.
This nigga been skinny for 3 weeks over here trying to talk shit. Bro, that's crazy as hell. You trying to scare me. Hey, nigga.
I mean, I might look good. Don't be messing with him. Don't hate because he taller and he's skinny and he look cute and he dating a homegirl. All right, Deshae. I mean, if he goes, just say that, right? Armon got his stuff together. His skin all nice. He got his smile popping and all, you know. So Armon got his stuff together. And you don't have to be, you know, you need to congratulate instead of hate.
You know you got roasted, you got scared, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. This nigga changed.
Bro, you think this is stupid,
Hey, I know
bro.
y'all miss the old Armon, but that shit gone, bro. This nigga, he
Niggas-
just said.
I don't know what this shape big head
He
ass. Tip over in this.
Bro,
He grew up to Shay. He got his stuff together. I mean,
Every time you talk and move your head,
that's my tip, bro. That's
your
not.
big head ass. You keep talking about silk, but only thing silk is your hair.
We're not talking about
You fucking
silk.
Mexican. You look like you mixed with
Nigga.
how with your hair.
What? Bro, nah, that nigga.
Bro, you look like you mixed with avocado.
No.
Like nigga.
This nigga, why?
why you hit him with the ball? Armon. Don't be mean.
This nigga built like a stick thing, bro. This nigga.
Bro, it's not my fault that you're 3 feet, bro.
Bro, I know. What are you talking about?
That's
3
a good
feet?
thumbnail.
You said you was 250 last week, bro. You
I
don't
wasn't
wanna
250,
you don't
that was
wanna
2 years
you
ago.
don't want to talk about
I
you
was
lost weight.
190.
You don't want to tell me
I was
Hey,
inside.
you don't want to tell you how you lost weight. He did them drugs, nigga.
Oh, dang. Okay, first of all, it's too much shade. Y'all being really petty right about now. I mean, I ain't letting everybody in the petty fam, okay? I mean, Armon could probably come because Armon, we've been down with him and Trey for a long time. You know, they family too. But I don't know about Deshae. Deshae being mean. And you don't be mean to him like that. First of all, you gonna go and talk about Clare. You know, y'all talking about he was Clare size. That y'all rude. Y'all in that man's house. Don't be talking about him like that. I mean, the Hoochie Daddy shorts was funny because he do got Hoochie Daddy shorts on. But anything else is below the belt, sirs. And then secondly, he is almost 3 feet, but he probably like 5, okay? He 5 feet even. Leave him alone. And then you talking about he on crack. Like, that ain't right. That is not right. That ain't true. You know, brother been working out. Brother been doing, getting stuff together. He had been through, like, relationships and stuff. And, maybe he had some stuff he was going through.
That's all that cocaine. All that shit. Hey,
Now we know where you stay. And you had the white shit on the side of it. That's some heroin. You be out there in the party with that white.
Nigga said that's heroin.
You be out there with that.
Bro, listen,
You be out there and
let me get my joke off. That nigga be scamming all y'all niggas tell y'all. Bro, them pills is not gonna make you lose weight.
Bruh.
You are gonna get a feed, a dope.
Hey, look. You know something? All right, so look, I'm gonna use this as a good thing. I'm gonna collab with this nigga, right? And if you feel like your head is too big, I'm gonna get some pills to shrink your shit. Cause look at him. I don't see how the fuck you be in his face with the camera like this, but you getting all headshots.
When you get lined up with
You getting all headshots.
you get lined up
You
with a
need to
hater,
turn
bro.
that
What the
bitch
fuck
back.
is you talking about?
You gotta turn that bitch back because you get all headshots.
Yo, these niggas are stupid, bro. This started from a ping
No,
pong
that's
game.
facts, though. Turn to the side.
What's the word, though,
mugshot
y'all?
picture, bro, they had to take that bitch with a movie screen direction. Like, yo, shit really long in the
That's
back.
Nickelodeon jokes.
No, bro, your shit is really comfortable in the back, bro.
Bro, look at your bro. You're balding.
Bro, look, shit, yeah, but
Your shit is no.
I'll let you talk.
You're goddamn 32. You're pushing it right now. I'm telling you.
25.
Listen, no, you're not, bro. Listen, this
No,
shit
you're
done. You're 25, close to 30. That shit.
Okay.
You're trying to close, bro. I know you're not.
Okay, bro.
Listen,
Let me see. I'm starting to see the back of your head.
Bro, I'm sweating. It's hot. I just packed niggas and ping pong.
Starting to go back when you start looking like I heard when you get a kid, that shit go gone. Same shit happening to him.
Let me
too,
know
bro.
when that's up.
Nah, that's what you're doing. Ever since you had your kid, that hairline, I'm not gonna lie, that bitch been going back. But nigga, I'm straight. You gonna
My hair is straight.
try to get on. Try to get on. Go ahead.
Look, yo. This is what I'm saying.
You're irritated as hell.
I'm not listening to Deshae big ass.
Say your
Okay, turn to the side. Turn to
Why you talk about people in their house? That's just rude. I don't know where you was raised. We don't be doing that. You in somebody's house, you at least gotta be respectful. I mean, that is disrespectful. Leave that man's hair and his hairline and his company alone. You need to act right when you at somebody's house, Deshae.
side. Why you don't want me to go?
What are you talking about?
Turn your head to the side so we can see the little hump on the back of your shit.
Bro,
Right here, go, look.
third-year-old
Let me
man
see.
told me to turn
Let me
around.
see, bro.
No, I'm not gonna let a 30-year-old man
Bro,
tell me to
listen,
turn
bro.
around.
Let me
That's
see
what
the
I'm
back of
saying.
your head,
Is
bro.
it off?
What's wrong?
Bro, turn around. We want to see it.
Okay, get the back of my
The people
get
want to
the back
see
of my
it. Bro, your shit is really.
Nah, you got a hook.
Bro, your shit is hook. You got a hook head.
Like, niggas could grab you.
Bro, your shit, bro. If I wanted to, I could take you out the back of your neck with a
You know how really
curl
good-
and just throw your shit.
I could break your
Okay, Claire with the graphics. I see you, bruh.
shit.
No, bro.
I'm
150 solid.
45.
I'm one.
Don't bring up this.
I'm 150 solid.
What
Dog.
the fuck? This nigga.
Come on, man.
Nigga said solid.
No, he gotta go
Nigga
get
said solid.
Go get in that gym, man.
You don't want to know, bro. I don't
Come on, man. Come on.
No, that's crazy.
Yo, so this is Armon's man's right here.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Guess my
Yo,
boy
bro, how you
Madre.
follow this nigga about that?
I just said, bro, this my man. This is Armon man's Madre.
Stop saying my name.
And this is the Deshae man's. What's your name? Cause I don't know what this nigga talking about. What's your name?
My name's Alan.
Alan and Madre. Bro, it look like y'all niggas about 3 years off.
Definitely.
Bro, yeah, it look like you're about 3 years off. Like this is you when you started growing your hair. Like you started here, right? Like you started here, and then like 3 years later, now you here with the Adidas sweatpants and the long braids. That's a fact. But this is the duo of the same person. Let's
Bro,
go.
them niggas look just alike.
Nah, y'all do, bro. Y'all need to, bro. That's a video for y'all. Y'all niggas need to play.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
That nigga got serious.
Don't let him shit on your videographer.
Turn it up a notch. Watch this. You ain't gotta play that.
Yeah, the battle of the videographer.
Yeah.
It's the battle of the cameraman.
Yeah, whose cameraman is better?
Come on, bro.
Bro, don't tell him this is for the hood right here. Tell Madre this is for the hood.
Hey, my drawing is for the hood.
This for the hood right here.
Oh yeah, that's
Keep
3.
it in Atlanta.
Yes, sir.
Let's keep it in Atlanta.
That's 3-0.
Oh, good shot. Oh.
Yeah!
This nigga hustled you. This nigga play ping pong.
Hey, I beat his Vans already.
So now he's still trying to talk shit.
See,
That's what I'm saying.
that's all I'm saying, man.
I beat both y'all niggas.
Whole ping pong table.
It's my turn.
Oh, ping pong table?
So, but just because it's my ping pong table, I'm supposed to be better than you?
Yes.
I wouldn't let you beat me, even if the ping pong table was in your crib.
Shit, let me get come play me in pool or something.
I do that too, though.
I really.
Let's go to a pool hall then, nigga. And bowling, nigga.
You don't want to do bowling, bro.
We'll go to bowling right now.
Bro, you don't want to do bowling right now.
Let's bet.
Neither one of y'all want to do bowling. I could do bowling. I can't play pool, but I like to try. I'm pretty good at bowling, though. You know, when I get my my YouTube plaque and I got like 100,000, I'm gonna take y'all bowling with me. We're gonna see what's up, okay?
How much you want to put on it, bro?
What you want to do?
Let's do it.
I got 5 on it.
Do you bowl?
Fuck no, I don't bowl.
So you just don't do nothing. You just funny.
I get to the bag, nigga. That's what the fuck I do, nigga.
Do hookups with his hooks in the
No. Hey, this nigga does therapy sessions, bro. This nigga held therapy sessions for former crackheads, bro, and tells y'all how y'all can get changed.
I do, bro.
It puts your life back on track.
You see how he downplaying y'all? What I really do that. I do. But what's wrong with helping out crackheads? Do you got something to do?
Right. You gotta help people, Deshae. Get them, Armon.
Some gets right
You
out.
mad with crackheads or something? I feel like I can help them out. So what about what if
Oh,
a
you one
crackhead
of
watching
them.
it?
Nigga said, oh, you one of them.
I changed the way he was looking at you like, this nigga sick. He really been a get to turning on the air. I do a reform for crackheads. You got a problem with crackheads?
Like, damn, shit, hit a nerve. I'm with the well-known street racer right here.
Yo, bro, why is you tarnishing my image, bro? Like,
I'm
what's
with the
going
well-known
on,
street racer. I don't.
That's all right, Armon. I like to go fast, too. Oh, Armon. Y'all taking me back to him and Trey. He popping his dimple. Oh. I like to see them together, him and Clare.
Have y'all all seen that article?
I'm not a well-known street racer.
That nigga,
I'm not a well-known street racer, bro. Don't listen to that.
What? Yes,
I am, bro. I
What's
am
your
a
street racer
Dada.
name?
I'm not with the rah-rah.
What's your street racer name? Like, what did they say you call yourself?
They said I called myself Sidewalk Master 3000.
He with that BS, huh? Don't be going on the sidewalk, sir.
Bro, when I seen that article, bro, I text you. I'm like, yo, bro.
Man, he told us
Street racing is crazy.
I'm like,
Cause
dog.
bro, out of all things, bro, that's like seeing Deshae on Shade Room, like, yo, Deshae got
like,
caught for selling pit bulls or some shit like that.
or Deshae.
You feel me? Like, damn, this shit.
Methazine. Like just some
out of the ordinary shit though. Like,
I was just with
you
this
so
nigga
wild
Deshae.
Molly and some shit like,
Yeah,
like,
he
bro,
got caught with
damn.
3,500 oxymoron.
Oxymoron.
You feel me? Like some wild shit. Like, dog, this nigga just with us like he was
Yeah, he was
cool.
cool. He was funny as
He should
fuck.
have told me he had the pack on him. Like, me, the street racer shit, bro.
Nah, the street racing shit.
I told you how it happened too, right? I was actually in jail and I was talking to Trey on the phone and the nigga said, hey, babe, you know this nigga named Armon? You know this nigga in here, boom, boom, you know, da-da-da. The girl said, Armon, who, the singer? Yeah, he on the news right now. And he like, what? He like, bro, you know you on the news? I'm like, fuck no. Trey like, bro, I was just about to tell you. I'm like, you hoe ass.
So like you was wanted at first.
Yeah, like I was actually wanted.
Like we need this nigga.
Bro,
off
like
the
we
streets.
finally caught him. Like he had 4 guns, like 2 ounces. Like he's really in the streets racing. Like I'm in jail, bro, and that's what they're telling me in jail. Like, bro, they said they post you.
That's right. My son Madrian got locked too, right?
Hell yeah, Madrian fought in that bitch.
Yeah, you held it down.
You know I held it down.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
I went to jail one time.
Fuck no, I'm playing. Madrian out here. You say what? Shane?
I went to jail one time for one day. Never doing that shit again. Man,
Yeah, jail's
that
not
shit
for
was
me.
fucked up, bro. They didn't like, bro. They
Oh,
was
Rib,
treating
I
me
don't like
like
how they
all
put
of
the
them. I
handcuffs
was
on.
sick. Man,
Yeah, them
sick as
bitches be
hell.
too tight. Them
Rib,
bitches
I don't
screaming
like
at
how they
version,
put the
you heard?
handcuffs
No
on,
funny
yeah.
shit. No,
Niggas
like
try to
there was somebody
violate you.
screaming in my cell. They're like, please let me go. No, in his sleep though. Like in his sleep, cause I got arrested at like 1 a.m. So like in his sleep, this nigga screaming.
Virgin. Jeez.
Hey, legend.
No, I don't want you to take a picture. Hey, come on, get out. Oh. All right, y'all. So I just picked up Legend from school. Come on, boy. Hey, look, we're in the garage. I just parked the car, so we parked the cars in the garage. Look what's right here. It looks like it was hit by a car. And guess whose car goes right here? Guess what car, guys? So stay tuned to see whose car goes right here and who hit that. We about
How would she do that? There had to be like a door or something, right? Cause she would have knocked the box down or whatever this box is right here, and you know, next to the shelf, she'd have knocked that down if she hit it. It is some scrapes though. Maybe she parked too close. I don't know. But you know what? I did that too before, so I'm with Queen. Don't be messing with her. It was an accident.
See, my question for you: did you crash into the wall?
No, I never. I kept looking.
Come over here. Come over here, right here. Look at that.
I swear on everything, I didn't.
He sounds like somebody's whole daddy. He accusing you. He like, this is here, and I don't know how it got here, so let's deduce and figure out what happened.
Queen, who parks right here? Just answer that.
I do, but I don't know why.
Okay, so you park right here. What is this?
Wait, I think I know.
What is it?
It's your. Remember when you parked in here?
And what?
And then when
Tell on her.
when I was like last time when I went to school, you parked in here when you got me.
And she crashed.
No, I didn't. I never crashed into.
Yes, you did. Yeah,
I did?
front thing. And come over here, CJ. Right here. Stand right here. Tell the people what you did today.
And I lost my necklace.
No, don't say it in like this language that people can't understand.
I lost
Say
my.
it's the same way you was just talking.
I lost my.
Your what? Your diamond chain. Your new chain, right? With a diamond skate.
He didn't lose it. Somebody took it. I hope nobody took the baby chain. If somebody took his chain, you shouldn't be mean to him.
You lost it. And what did I say?
Don't wear it to school.
Because you was gonna what?
Lose it.
And what you did?
I lost it.
So who was right?
He probably gave it to some girl. You know, CJ a player. He like, here you go, baby girl.
Okay. So at least you learned, man. Now look, now that your mom's she's not gonna let you have another chain. I tried to have you drippy. I'm looking out for you. And now look.
Yeah, I can't believe that.
Alright, so it's late at night. You know what I'm saying? We up. Chilling. Here, chilling. Say hi to the people.
How y'all doing?
Sheesh. What?
I heard you saying sheesh.
Sheesh. Because he was walking away.
Yeah, this thing.
What's all that movement back there?
Yeah, so I might Queen maybe these chicken sandwiches. Put some Chick-fil-A sauce on it. Let me show you guys. Chick-fil-A sauce. You know what I'm saying? A little late night snack. We about
Do y'all like Chick-fil-A sauce or Polynesian? Just let me know, because I like Polynesian.
finish watching the little. Are we about to do that? You want to finish watching that? The little baby? I don't even know. I gotta get my phone. You about to organize that now?
I can get up a little bit, but I can do it. Just know me.
And we had a good day, man. Shout out to my niggas. Shout out to my niggas Armon and Deshae. I'm saying shout out to Deshae for pulling up, creating some content. Niggas is hilarious. But he's not the same height as me, man. Y'all see the height advantage is crazy. Like I would put Deshae in the post on all footwork, all upper body strength. Huh?
I'm sure you don't want these days.
They probably old. I did them for the smoothies, but I stopped making smoothies kind of.
Yeah, these days is outdated.
She said the dates are outdated. I feel you. It was a good day. Shout out to my nigga Armon. You know what I'm saying? We was all getting buckets. I think we went like 5 in a row today. Been ball. You know what I'm saying? So that's late. But shout out to y'all. I was fucking with the last vlog, and I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? For me, missing so many months and days, and y'all still show me love. That's love. But
we love y'all. And thank y'all, Petty Fam, for also showing me love. I'm sorry I've been missing in action, but I'm trying to record y'all. If y'all like Armon, let me know. I'm probably gonna keep doing it until somebody tell me not to. But you know, I'm gonna record Armon and Deshae and see what's going on with them. But probably not tonight, but I'm gonna do it soon.
what I am gonna do is pick a winner from the Cash App for the Cash App for last video.
I can't do all this. This is Clare.
Yeah, let me go to this video real quick. That's probably you.
I'm gonna let y'all go. So like, comment, subscribe, share if you can, click the bell and become part of the squad.